Hello children, how are you? Welcome to the geography class of standard 6. Let us have a quick recapitulation of what we have done yesterday. Yesterday I spoke about the different kind of landforms and what makes landforms occur. So these are the different kinds of landform: mountains, valleys, plains, hills, and now I am going to explain in details regarding the different kinds of landforms. Let's begin. How the mountains are formed. This is a type of landform, mountain. How it is formed. The surface of the earth is made up of hard, rigid shells known as lithosphere, which is broken into small pieces called tectonic plates. There are 7 large such plates, okay, and there are smaller plates too, which are found on the upper layer of the mantle. The movement of these plates give rise to the mountains, volcanoes, valleys and oceanic ridges. Volcanic activities also lead to the formation of mountains. Now let's talk about fold mountain. Mountains are also in different forms. Fold mountain. Again, fold mountain is divided into old fold mountain and young fold mountain. So let's talk about when two plates moving towards each other collide, large fold mountain ranges are formed. Some examples are Himalayas in Asia and the Andes mountain in South America. Fold mountains are of two kinds. I have already told you that they are old fold mountains and young fold mountain. The old fold mountain undergo long period of erosion. Okay, therefore they are not very high. They are more than 200 million years of age. Some examples: the Aravallis and the Appalachian mountain. The young fold mountains are believed to be about 30 million years old. They show very few signs of erosion. Therefore, these mountains are very high. Some examples are Rockies mountain and Himalayan range in Asia. This is the pictorial representation of formation of mountain. This picture will help you in understanding how the mountains are formed. And this Himalayas, this is the mountain Himalayas. This is Himalayan range and this is example of young fold mountain also. Now let's talk about faulting. When two tectonic plates move towards each other in the opposite direction, what happens? Compression and tensional forces are created. I repeat, compression and tensional forces are created. These forces cause the uplifting and sinking of rock layers. This process is called faulting. Block mountains. Now, this is another type of mountain. Block mountain. What is block mountain? Let us understand. Faulting in the rock layers leave some blocks. When faulting happens, okay, they leave some blocks of rock upstanding and some are sinking. When the land between the cracks sink, resulting blocks standing on both the sides, these are known as block mountain. Some examples are Vindhyachal range in India and the Black Forest range in Germany. What causes volcanic mountain? How the volcanic mountains are formed? As I have told you, volcanic also leads to the formation of mountain. Okay, volcanic activities. These mountains are caused by the movement which occur within the earth. Volcanologists have classified volcanic mountains in different categories based on their shapes and sizes. The 4 types of volcanic mountains are fissure volcanoes, shield volcanoes, cinder cone, composite volcano. This is a pictorial example of volcanic mountain formation. This is how volcanic mountains are formed. This is the fissure vent. You can see the cinder cone, lava dome, shield volcano. Next, this is another picture related to the volcanic mountain, the aerial view of Mount Kilimanjaro. Then we have the Mount Pine in Europe, and see, it's there on the screen. Now let's talk about formation and types of plateau. Plateau is another kind of landform, how they are formed, and what are the various types of plateau. Volcanic plateau. This plateau is made up by the successive layers of lava that spread out. Example, Antrim Plateau, Continental Plateau. These are also tectonic plateau. Why they are called tectonic plateau? Because they are formed by the tectonic movement. Examples, Chota Nagpur Plateau. Next we talk about Intermontane Plateau. The Intermontane Plateau is surrounded by the mountains from all the sides. Example, Tibetan Plateau. Next is Piedmont Plateau. It means foot of a mountain. It is a plateau lying between the mountain range and a lowland. Example, the Eastern Plateau of USA. Now the last one, plains, another major landform. Plains. How plains are formed? Plains, based on the mode of formation, plains are divided into different categories such as structural plains, depositional plains, and erosional plains. What are structural plains? They are the low-lying grasslands. Example, Great Plains of USA. Now depositional plains. Some plains are made by the depositional agents like rivers, glaciers. When they are deposited, then depositional plains are formed. For example, River Nile, Deltaic Plain in Egypt. Erosional plains. These plains are formed by the agent of erosion by the rain, river, ice. Okay. Then the erosional plains are formed. Example, Niagara Plain. Now with this, I conclude chapter number 2, the landforms. Hope whatever I have explained to you, you have understood it. That's all for today, children. Hope you have understood the topic. Bye bye, children.